let's move on. Let's move on to the Audi RS5 from ABT. Amazing green color. I mean, I don't know how it looks on the video, but actually in real life, it's not that shiny. It is more understated than it actually looks in the video and pictures. And it's kind of attaching maybe yellowish tone on the light here, but it looks really good. The same style front bumper, carbon fiber wings like Black Series C63, like the RS4. What I really like about this car are the wheels. I mean, they seem to be the same as on the RS4, just a black wheels, and they are gold satin matte gold finish right there, and of course the ceramic brakes. But again, the Dutch logo from ABT here, same as on the RS4. Another ABT logo here, carbon fiber right here as well, carbon fiber mirrors. There's a little wing C63 Black Series style again. All this carbon fiber as well. If you look into the interior, you can actually maybe you can actually see into this car a little bit better. Carbon fiber pedals, carbon fiber steering wheel, carbon fiber everything, basically, the dash, and it says that this is the first of 50 ABT RS5s. Again, little touch like this RS5 are written right here, ABT, all the ABT and Audi logo all blacked out. This one's red. A carbon fiber spoiler and a carbon fiber roof right here. And another look into the interior, as you can see. It's pretty cool stuff. If you can see into the back prop panel. I really like these. And these wings though.